Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from SlimmandStylish.stampingup.net. Thank you for joining me today for a Sale-a-Bration Saturday post. So for every Saturday between the 4th of January and the 28th of February, I'm going to be bringing you a card made with a Sale-a-Bration product. Sale-a-Bration is so exciting and it's definitely one of my highlights of the Stampin' Up calendar. For every £45 that you spend on my store, SlimmandStylish.stampingup.net, you can earn yourself a free stamp set or free paper from the Sale-a-Bration catalogue. Okay, the first part of the catalogue is all things that you can get with a £45 spend for free. The second half of the catalogue has all ones that you can get when you spend £90 for free. So you can either get a £90 set if you spend £90, or you can get two of the £45 set because they do add up. Okay, so for every £45 you spend, you are eligible for a new Sale-a-Bration item. The one I'm playing with today is Catching Butterflies, and this is a £45 set. Okay, so this is the card that I'm going to make. I thought it was really quite cute. Let me show you, it's so simple. You need a piece of basic white cardstock that's 10 centimetres by 14.3 centimetres. And we're going to be using this stamp here, this one up here, and Collecting Sweet Thoughts of You, because I quite like that one. Okay, so you're going to need some scrap basic white. So I've got some scrap here, and you just want to stamp down the sentiment. I'm doing it this way so that you can work out where your sentiment's going, and then you can position your other stamps around that. So you just want to stamp it anywhere on the paper, and I'm using one of the heart punches. The heart punches are from the annual catalogue. They are a duo. You get one that is scalloped edged and one that is straight edged, and we're using the scalloped edged punch. Okay, so I'm just going to punch that out. Collecting Sweet Thoughts of You. I love the mixed font sentiments, I really do. Okay, so once you've got that, you can work out where you're going to put your lady, and I put her towards the bottom on the side there. I'm just going to ink her up. Place her down. Okay, and then you want the butterflies. So I'm going to ink that up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at where I'm going to put the sentiment. So I'm going to put the sentiment about there. So I want my butterflies to come out from underneath the sentiment. Okay, so I'm going to balance that above, move the sentiment, pop it down. Okay, balance the next one above and stamp it down. So now when I put my sentiment over the top, I have my butterflies coming out from underneath. Okay. I'm just going to grab some dimensionals and put my sentiment down. Okay. And then for colouring in, I used the dark and light pale papaya on her skirt. So I used the dark one on every other pleat. And then I went over the whole of the dress in the light pale papaya. Okay, I went over all of her skin with the light petal pink. For her hair, I used dark crumb cake, and I didn't do every swish. I did sort of every other swish. Okay, so that it gave it a bit of a shine. I didn't colour all of it in. sort of like that. Okay, I then used the ivory blend for the crisscrosses, and I just went over the line of every crisscross, did it back, and then finally for the butterflies I used light fresh freesia, and I just coloured each one of those in with that. I wasn't even particularly neat with that, I just sort of done little 8s. Look, 1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8 on each one. And that was sort of my colouring of the butterflies done. When I finish that, just grab a card base. And I got one, there we are. I knew I had a pre-scored one somewhere. I had so much fun earlier. Before I got started my crafting, I thought, oh, I'll wet my chamois. I was looking everywhere for my chamois, couldn't find it anywhere, and I thought, well, I must have lost it. I'm not sure what I've done with it. It was in the sink already, so I'd obviously already found it, put it in the sink and started running the water on top of it, and then walked around looking everywhere for it. That's the day I'm having today, I feel. So there we go. That is my really quick and easy Sale-a-Bration card finished. How quick is that? Brilliant. Lovely set, completely free when you spend £45 on my store, SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Everything else I've used today is available to purchase on there. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next week for another Sale-a-Bration Saturday. Thanks everybody. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.SlimmandStylish.stampinup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.